Hi, I'm Barbara Sapala. I'm a special education and general education teacher. Welcome to my ePortfolio. This is a website that I created and designed, and you'll find lots of great educational links that I have here for parents, students, and colleagues. I'd like to show you some of the links. I have science links. You'll see on my science page I have the curriculum and also the standards. Underneath that, you can look, I have a page for teaching students the scientific method, and I use this in the classroom a lot. And here you can see I have a flip book that I use when I'm teaching students in the classroom. Oops, that you can use this so that it captures their interest and you can teach them all the different steps of the scientific method. Okay, I have some lessons that I've done so the students can continue learning when they're at home. Here's one that I did. They can play the video. It's the egg experiment, and it teaches about air pressure. Well, kids, when you're working with flames or matches or a lighter, make sure that you have your parents around because it can be dangerous. First thing that I'm going to do is light the paper on fire. Okay? And I am going to, I want to make sure it's burning really good, drop it into the jar and then put my hard-boiled egg on top. Let's see what happens. Wow, look at that. You see how the pressure changed? And you can learn more about why that happens on my Science Lesson 2 page. Also have help for parents and students to find science fair projects. And very importantly, I have questions here to help prepare them for the assessment test because it's very important and I want my students to do great. Mr. Wizard is a wonderful link. Mr. Wizard teaches all sorts of different science lessons, and they can link to all the different TV shows. Math, again, I have the standards and the curriculum. I have a very special link here called Summit Math. Summit Math is interactive lessons that I share with all of my colleagues and students. Oops. Students can practice their math. They just click on the link and there is a whole interactive lesson right here. Right here they're having to say what's more than or less than or equal with 6-digit number equations. So right here we'll see. And we got it correct. And then we can report the totals. Oops. And this report can be sent to me so I can know which students need more help. I have a lot of hot topics here for special education and in education, differentiated instruction, a page on UDL, a page for acceptable internet use, so we know what we can do and can't do. Special education pages, whole page on IEPs. I'm going to skip right down here to show you a little bit of what I have in the technology. If you liked the flip book and you want to know how to do it, you can come on my technology page and learn how to make your very own flip book. I use a lot of technology when I'm teaching lessons, and I expect my students to use technology as well. Thank you so much for visiting my webpage.